What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making a pregnancy protein shake using my Ninja blender with a single use. This is the silk milk. It's oat silk milk with 120 calories and 1 gram of protein. So I'm going to shake that up and add 1 cup into the single use cup for the blender. I always put the liquid first because everything else pretty much absorbs into the milk. Then I'm going to add 1 scoop of this protein powder with 20 grams of protein. It's protein and greens, just plain vanilla flavored, 120 calories. And just 1 scoop will get you that. This is a plant-based protein. I like that it has greens in it. And then the next ingredient is natural peanut butter. I was looking up what ingredients I could use, and natural peanut butter said is better. Just creamy natural peanut butter. 8 grams of protein, 190 calories. And that serving size is, I think, 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons into the cup over the protein powder. And the natural peanut butter is a lot more liquid to it, so maybe I think it's better to use for protein shakes or any kind of shake that you want peanut butter with. And I like to add chia seeds, organic. They have a lot of good things in them for pregnancy, omega-3, and it's fiber. So it has good ingredients that women need for their pregnancy. 2 grams of protein, 60 calories. So 1 tablespoon will go into the cup. I found this at Target. Found most of the stuff at Target, and then some at just a local grocery store. I realized I should have put the seeds in before the peanut butter, because the next thing is hemp seeds. Yeah, because now everything's sticking to the peanut butter. But I just kept going, so I would suggest adding the seeds before the peanut butter. This is hemp seeds, which is also really good for pregnancy. That serving size is 1.5 tablespoons. And there's a max line of what you could add to the blender. So I kind of went off of that when I decided how many ingredients I wanted to add. So you can really do it however you'd like. And then I put frozen strawberries. I don't put the banana because it makes it too thick, the shake, where I can't even drink it. Strawberries are really good because it works as ice, the frozen ones. It's kind of makes the shake really cold, and it gives it some flavor. So I just pick out the strawberries from this one, but eventually I'm gonna buy just plain frozen strawberries. If I was to do a strawberry banana shake, and I just fill it up to the top of that max fill line, and then that's all I add. But if I was to just do a strawberry banana shake, it would be a lot more simple, but I'm trying to add in all these ingredients, so just the strawberries is enough. And then I top it off with a little bit more of the oat silk milk. Because it'll give it more consistent, like liquid consistency, so it's easier to put down. And I just put the top on for the single-use cup. It just comes like that with a attachment. And then I'm gonna blend it for about 1 minute. Because of the order of what I put, of the ingredients I put in, everything blends in. Like, it could blend in like 10 seconds, but I just do it for 1 minute to be safe. It's a really powerful blender. The peanut butter always sticks to the side a little bit. I mean, not all of it, but if you have any suggestions for the peanut butter to not stick to the side, let me know in the comments. You can see it's already blended. It blended all the way through. Then you just twist it off. And the single-use cup comes with a lid you can put on top. So you take the blending part off and put on the drinkable lid. And that's it. That's the lid. Just twist it on, and you can take that to go, or you can drink it on your own time. Take your time. But it's nice that it comes with this. Yeah, so this came out actually really good, like it always does. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next one.